We came together not to entrench the things that divide us, but instead we came together to examine our scars and together to decide and determine that we will no longer be victims. We came together not only to assert that we too had a voice, but to articulate precisely what we intended to use our voice to say. This is why we are gathered here today. We are here to say that we have continued to agonize and pray for this country. We have continued to embrace each other in conversation, deliberation, and consultation to make true the statement that we intend to hold each other up and never let go. As the women of the Republic of Kenya, we have taken stock of our differences. We have examined our challenges. We have laid bare our anxieties and our hopes. We have found that our differences separate us when really they should form the basis for our common interventions.
This movement that we are calling Embrace, putting every woman in. Now remember the words of Phoebe Assis, our great leader in this country. She said to us, never ignore those women, those who are carrying children on their backs, those who are walking barefoot, those who are pregnant. That is the power behind all of us. For this, everybody to be in office, they go back to those women. Let us all women in this room now embrace this thing, go back to the village and tell those women in the village, you are our sisters, you are our mothers, we want to go forward with you. And let this movement not be a movement here at Intercontinental Hotel.